Welcome to AORUS 101. Today, we're going to check out a cool new technology on GIGABYTE motherboards, AI SNATCH. AI SNATCH uses AI to automatically check your memory and find the best speed settings. With just one click, it helps you get the most out of your memory. To get this awesome AI feature working, here's what you need. A GIGABYTE motherboard that supports AI SNATCH. XMP memory. For accurate memory speed testing, please disable XMP in BIOS first and ensure GIGABYTE Control Center is installed. Now, let's get AI SNATCH up and running. Update the GIGABYTE Control Center to the latest version. Then, find and download AI SNATCH from the update list. After downloading, you'll see the AI SNATCH icon on your desktop. Click it, and you are ready to go. On the main screen, click on XMPI Boost on the right side. You'll see your current memory speed, and there's a Start with AI button at the bottom. If XMP is still enabled, you'll get a reminder to turn it off. Simply click OK. Restart your PC, enter BIOS, and disable XMP. After restoring the memory to its default settings, AI SNATCH will now check how fast your memory can go and show the best settings on the screen. Next, we'll apply these new memory changes in the BIOS. Press Apply, and the system will restart automatically. Once you're back in BIOS, find XMPI Boost in the bottom left corner. You'll see two speed settings that AI SNATCH recommends based on its analysis. Keep in mind, overclocking depends on the quality of your memory and CPU, so if your system becomes unstable, try a lower speed. After setting up XMPI Boost, press F10 to save and restart your computer. Now you're ready to enjoy the boost in memory speed. Here's an overview on how to boost your memory performance with AI SNATCH. If you have any questions, feel free to ask anytime. Team up, fight on!